Hi and welcome to the next video. So just following on from the last video where we actually completed the graph, now what we're going to do is just have a look at the other earn rewards schemes that is available to us, and then I'm going to just show you how to share your link. But firstly, let's just have a look at the ones that we've completed. Now, if you go back to the graph one and clicked on it, all it'll simply tell you, it'll allow you to go back through the training again. That's great, but you will not be able to earn your $1 for each one, because at the end it'll just tell you this task is complete. So let's have a look at the ones that we now need to complete. The first one, which is the CeeLo, which we've got 3 videos and tasks to do there. And as you can see here, on each task we can earn $2 in each. Now the CeeLo in total we can earn $6, and the abbreviation is CGLD for the CeeLo coin, and we're going to show you that in a portfolio in a moment. And as you can also see there, it's 2 minutes for the first 2 videos and 3 minutes for the second. Then we're going to have a look at the compound. Now there's different things. In the compound we can earn up to approximately $59, and again the compound is abbreviated COMP, and we're going to have a look at that in a moment. Then we're going to do the maker, which again it's $6, and then we're going to have a look at the stellar, which potentially we could earn up to $50 on there. Okay, so firstly what we'll do is we'll go to the CeeLo one, and all we do is just click on the task or the icon. Remember, on the first one we just had to read some of the information. On these ones we are going to have to we are going to do videos. So what we do is, once it's loaded, look, I'm just going to I'll keep it muted, but the video, as I said there, it's approximately 2.5 minutes long. I'm just going to pause it, and what you do is you watch the video, you watch the information. It's all got the text underneath as well. And once the video is finished, it will ask you a question. So there, how does CeeLo give greater access to financial tools? So a quick tip, you might just want to actually read the question before you read through the actual training, and then you select your answer. Now please don't worry if you select the wrong answer. It does give you another option, and another option, and another option to get the answer correct. In other words, it will give you the $2 even if you take 5 or 6 attempts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set away. I'm going to pause the video for now, and then I'm going to do lessons 1, 2 and 3. So that'll be should be $6 in total. So I'll just come back to the earn rewards. So as you can see there, so the $6, just have a look at my balance. So 125 Great British pounds at the moment, and then our potential earnings of 121. So when I come back, that should have gone down 6, and that should have gone up as well. That should have gone up down $6. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to pause this video, and then I'm going to do my tasks, and then I'm going to come back. Hi and welcome back. Now I've actually just completed the 2 tasks, so I've earned myself $6, which I've done the CeeLo, and I've also done the maker, which is the one below the compound. Now I've left the compound and of course the stellar, just to show you, because these are potentially the biggest earners, just to show you how you can earn your max from those 2 rewards. So firstly, let me have a look there, just show you the potential rewards has gone down now. So I've used the 6. If we go to the portfolio, look, it's telling, there's my portfolio balance has gone up. And if I have a look at my assets, look, so as you can see, I've done the 3 tasks so far, so my earnings are starting to slowly go up. Okay, now if I jump across to my email, so as you can see there, there's, you know, this is the CeeLo, so it's £1.47. There's another £1.47 and another £1.47, and for the maker, look, again it's the same, £1.47, £1.47, £1.47. Okay, so jumping back, so go back to the earn rewards, And what we want to show you now is the compound. Now within the compound, for each task, or the first 3 tasks, as you can see there, you earn $3. Now if you click on further there, what we have here is use a compound within your Coinbase wallet, right? You can earn $10, and then give your friends a gift of compound, right? You can claim $10 per friend, so you can claim $40 there. So I'm going to show you that, how that works in a moment. Okay, firstly what I'm going to do is the first 3 tasks, so I'm going to gain myself $9 free here. So what I'm going to do is just click on it. Again, just bare luck, 109, so $109 potentially to earn. So I'll wait for this to open. Okay, so there's the video up. So lesson 1, you just set it away. I've just got mine on mute, so I'm going to watch the video and I'm going to answer the questions and make my way right through there. So what I'm going to do is just again pause the video, watch me 3 lessons, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see here, it's gone down to a potential $100 left to earn. So I've just earned myself the $9. Now, so I've done those tasks there. So I'll just quickly, firstly, what I'll show you is the emails. So I've just received the emails. So there we go, compound. So there's your first email, £2.20. Second one, £2.20. Third one, £2.20. Jumping back. So what we need to do now is, if we just click on here, now what we need to do is use the compound with Coinbase wallet. So what we need to select there is just select it, and then it'll take you to the lesson. Now, as it's telling you there, this lesson, we're going to learn how to earn interest with inside of our Coinbase wallet. But this is quite a lengthy one, and it's 15 minutes to complete. So all you would simply do is just select Start Tutorial. Okay, so this now has cropped up. This lesson is currently paused. Please check back in a couple of days. So what we need to do then, so Coinbase has actually paused this compound. Use the compound with your Coinbase wallet. So what we need to do is just come back and just keep checking on that until we can start the tutorials. So I'm just going to close that. So bear in mind we need to just monitor and come back to that one at further dates. And this one here is give your friends the gift of the compound. So to select on there, what? Now, give your friends the gift of the compound. So invite up to 4 friends to earn the compound too. Okay, and they can start earning it as well. So this is the idea. And again, you know, inviting 4 friends, you're going to earn up to $10 for each one. So all you would simply do is just, you know, if you wanted to read the terms and conditions, which I encourage you to do so, invite your friends. Okay, just select that. Now, this is where I said, you know, it's nothing hurting getting your friends and family to follow these videos and get themselves to sign up, because you're all helping each other to gain, you know, an extra $10. So if you're getting the 4, that's $40 in total there. So all you'd simply do is just then select start inviting friends. And then what you have is a share button. So all you do is just click the share button and then send it to your friends. Now, once your friends complete it, then again, it will show up on here. So you'll get your 10, 20, 30, 40. As you can see there, I've claimed none of 4 so far because I haven't started sharing this one as yet. So you just click your share and then share it to your friends. But you can also share it as well if you're not getting your friends and family to sign up. You can also share it to people on social media, in groups and things like that. So, you know, there's always an option to do it there. So that'll be it for this video. When we come back, we'll show you the last one, which is the Stellar, and then where we can earn potentially up to $60.